Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the iconic sound systems, Rey de Rocha and Gemini del Chamba. We'll explore their legendary rivalry that shaped Cartagena's music scene. Get ready to dive into the world of picos, where powerful sound and exclusive tracks created an unforgettable cultural phenomenon. This comparison will highlight what made each system a true legend. Rey de Rocha, often called El Campeón del Universo, built a formidable reputation. Its powerful sound and exclusive music selections were a staple on Olimpica Estéreo, captivating listeners across the region. This system was renowned for its deep, resonant bass and a vast collection of tracks that kept dance floors energized, solidifying its place as a true icon. Gemini del Chamba brought its own distinctive flair to the rivalry. Known for a unique audio profile and an impressive array of exclusive tracks, Gemini garnered a passionate following. Its energetic live performances were legendary, and the fierce competition versus Rey de Rocha pushed both systems to constantly innovate, delivering unforgettable musical experiences to their fans. The legendary rivalry between Rey de Rocha and Gemini left an indelible mark on Cartagena's champeta music. Their duels fostered a vibrant culture of innovation and passion, influencing countless artists and fans. Even today, both sound systems are revered as pioneers, their impact echoing through the music scene. For more great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.